Hey, what's up? It's Trey. I'm doing a trade recap for the day. This is actually my first video recap that I'm doing just to track my progress and stuff. Pretty new. I mean, I have like less than a dozen trades under my book. Today was pretty bad, but you know, accountability. I tried this once before and I wasn't that good and I quit. But this time I'm not going to quit and I'm trying to make videos. And this is something I can make videos about, I guess. All right, so trade I'm talking to about right now is this guy, BRGO. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this was so stupid. I was more upset about this earlier in the day. I made the trade around here, so some time has passed. But let's talk about this a little bit. So BRGO was looking like, actually it was looking like KPAY from yesterday. If I go to this 2-day chart and like zoom into here, right? So it kind of like ran up and did its thing, and then you have this like consolidation on the VWAP line here before kind of like taking off new highs, and then this was into the close and we had a nice little gap up, right? So that's what this pattern was starting to look like. Like, let's take away that part of the chart, right? And bam, do that. So you can kind of see how they're looking the same. This is a pattern that I've been seeing a lot, and other traders I've noticed will call out this pattern. Now, my mistake though was, this is 10 a.m. I'm on Pacific time, okay? So this is going to be set to Pacific time, so 10, 11, 12, 1 p.m., I guess, Eastern. I'm going to talk in Pacific time. This is about like 10:30 or whatever, so I was a little early. If I was looking at this, the thing to trade would have been this breakout, which was closer. Even this was like kind of early. It was like between 10:55 and 11. I'm trying to keep myself only trading the first hour of open and then power hour, which is that last hour of the day. I have a small account, so I'm subject to the PDT rules. Actually, I'm just gonna, but bam, this was this was 2070, so I was up like $20 or whatever, and now this was a big loss, $150 loss, right? Now my mistake was being too early. I should have waited for later in the day and gotten confirmation of this support hold on VWAP and maybe played for the breakout over the 2/6s. You can call this like a little channel or something. That would have been the move. Instead, I got impatient. I entered here in this little mess for this little breakout, which didn't happen, and I told myself I was risking VWAP, and it started to crack, and I wasn't able to get out until about the 2-1, I think, somewhere here. And that didn't look like a lot, but then when I was filling out the loss form, and I realized like I took a 15% loss on that position, so my risk reward was way off, and it's just like, I guess with the sub penny play and everything, and I sized in way too. I had like half of the account in this or something. So stupid. And I was telling myself, like, because TD Ameritrade has these I think it's like $6.95 or something commissions for these OTC stocks, so I was like, well, I need to take a big enough position to where the commissions aren't gonna hinder me to have the pattern play out. Like, you take $100 position, you need a 14% gain just to cover the commission that you're paying for the trade. So yeah, that was really stupid. So, moving forward, I might just stick to listed plays since there is no commission for the listed plays right now. So if I can take a smaller $100, $200, $300 position and I can still make some profits even if I'm getting out with a 3-4% gain or something. That's the plan. That was the plan before, and I just broke because OTCs are super hot right now. But that's my own fault. I broke my rules by playing something that wasn't power hour. That's my own fault. I got greedy. I saw other traders making money, and yeah, it was really dumb. It was really, really dumb. So let's go, and I'll pull up some. I'll pull up my other trades. I'm going to try and make myself feel a little better. Trades, cool. So this is where I'm at. 169 down on the year. This is just for the day trading account. Here's my $152 loss, which this is going to be like plus, an extra $14 on this loss because when I verify it, it's going to add in the commissions. But stupid trade, tried to play this breakout, no business trading intraday, plus too much size, everything I was just talking about, waited too long to cut the losses, should have bailed when I saw the difficulty to break. And that was, I'm referring to here. Like there was this few minutes where it wasn't really working and I could have gotten out, but I was trying to be patient, even though I was being impatient by entering the trade anyway. So dumb. But, here was a decent one I made. This was yesterday. This was the start of this downturn. GGII is an OTC play that's been really hot right now. GGII, right? So let's go to the 2-day chart. This was yesterday. And let's see. VWAP bounce after a morning spike. Learning to wait for confirmation on the VWAP hold. Watching level 2 in timed sales. Sold when I was having trouble here. Bam. Okay, so there we go. That's the VWAP bounce I'm talking about. So, yeah. And then I got this in. Alright, let's see here. What was my entry? 1369. Yeah, I would have gotten in. It's so funny, like these little, when it's a penny, these like sub-penny decimals, right? Here's 13.75, 6568. And this is 13 too. Like, anyway, so I got this, and then I would have sold somewhere around here. Yeah, I think I saw this fail, and I was like, all right, time to get out. And I was wrong. I could have gotten, if I had more patience, 16, but whatever. But I had the same strategy. Like I was thinking, okay, it's an OTC play right here, OTC play, so I'm gonna have to go in heavy. So, even though I only did I think a $400 position or something, $500 position around here. Got this little bounce, made my little 10% or whatever it was, 5.5%, right? 4,000 shares at, I can't do math, at 13.69. So yeah, $550-ish dollar position here. And that worked, and that was positive. Now, but here we go again. This would have been within that first hour of the day, fell within that part of my rule, right? Or BRGO here, it's like 10 a.m. 1 p.m. right, 11, 12, 1. I don't know if it's better to go by Eastern time or Pacific time, whatever. So that's what I got. Breaking my rules, being stupid. Is what it is. Back to listed plays only. This one might be good for a close high on the end of day. We'll see. I was looking at eyes. I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't know anything, but I'm trying to learn. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to start doing this every trading day, or every day that I make a trade as a bonus, so I can just track my progress and look back at it. You know, you can see here I've made 17 trades total, 35% win rate, average gain is 5%. And that's what, like when I'm talking about this, right? This loss was 15.9%. Like, I cannot, if my average gain is 5% right now, I cannot be having that type of loss. Let's see, what's my average loss right now? Average percent loss. Yeah, my risk reward on this, and before that trade, this was closer to like 1%, 2%. So I at least had a decent ratio. Now my ratio is all sorts of down the toilet, right? It's okay. You know, I can get it back over time. These amounts are negligible. You know, I can't be taking $1,000 positions on a $2,000 account. That's really stupid. So I either need to be incredibly sure of the OTC upside, and even still, like, I don't think I should be risking more than $400 or $500 on a position anyway. Like, even that is a lot. So sticking to listed plays. If it's an OTC, I can't do more than 500. Them's the rules. Them's gonna be the rules. All right, I'm out.